Welcome to Mr. Math Academy. Grow your math brain.
Hello students, welcome back to Mr. Math Academy. So in this video, let us go to explain third main in the exercise 1.1. For the following AP, means they are telling for the following AP, these are all AP. In the sense, common difference will be same. They are telling, okay. Write the first term and the common difference. First term and the common difference, okay. Between any two successive term, if you find one common difference, that is enough, because everywhere you will get the same difference, because it is a arithmetic progression already they are given, okay. So first term in the sense a1 or a or t1 all are same, okay, which is equal to how much? 3. Okay, next difference we want, difference is equal to t2 minus t1. Okay, t2 how much? This is t2, this is t1, t3, t4. t2 how much? 1, this minus as it is. t1 how much? 3, this is minus 2. Difference how much? Minus 2. See, decreasing, no. So see, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, decreasing. So difference is minus 2. So here a which is equal to minus 5, that is first term I have written. Difference is t2 minus t1. I'll take minus 1, this is t1, t2, t3, t4. You can write a1, a2, a3, a4. However, whichever the way teachers are teaching in your schools, okay, same thing you have to follow. t1, t2, t3, t4, or else a1, a2, a3, a4. Okay, it's your convenience. So t2 how much? Minus 1. This minus I'll write as it is. t1 how much? Minus 5. So two same signs should not come to next to each other. So put the bracket, minus into minus plus 5. So plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4. Okay, difference is increasing by 4 numbers. See, minus 5, minus 1, increasing 3, 7, like that it is gone, increasing 11, it will come. So for this here we'll go. First term, a is equal to 1 by 3. Done. Okay, difference I want t2 minus t1. Okay, this is t1, t2, t3, t4. Okay, t2 how much? 5 by 3. t1 how much? 1 by 3. So denominator same, so LCM is same. 3. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, which implies how much? 4 by 3. This is what the difference. Okay, difference how much? Difference is 4 by 3. Okay, let us go for this one. A which is equal to 0.6. Okay, that is first term, or else a1, a all are same. So difference is, I'll take some other number now. t4 minus t3. t1, t2, t3, t4. t4 how much? 3.9 minus t3 how much? 2.8. How much you'll get? So separately I'll do it here. 3.9 minus 2.8. How much? 1, 1. That is positive only. 1.1 difference. Okay. If you want, you can check another number also. D is equal to t3 minus t2 I'll take. Otherwise t2 minus t1 only I'll take. t2 minus t1. t2 how much? 1.7. t1 how much? 0.6. After subtraction, 1.7 minus 0.6, 1, this one as it is, so 1.1. This is difference. Difference you will get same only. Okay, for this problem, respective problems you will get the difference same, whichever the formula if you take. D is equal to t3 minus t2, you will get the same thing. So we have completed main number 3. Let us go for question number 4. Which of the following are AP? See, some of the questions they have given, totally 15 questions they have given. Okay, what I will do all odd numbers. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All these numbers I will do. Remaining even numbers, you try to do it. If you find difficult, just tell me again in the comment box. I'll do it. Okay. So what they are telling, which of the following are AP? We have to find out these are AP or not. Okay, but third main definitely they have given AP. But this main we have to find out AP or not. Okay. If it is AP, what we have to do? If the form AP, find the common difference. Difference we have to find and write 3 more terms. Next 3 more terms we have to write. So to find whether it is in AP or not, we have to check the common difference is same or not. So let us consider T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay, D is equal to T2 minus T1. Okay, T2 how much? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 how much? 2. So difference you got 2 here. You should not check only one. Okay, one more you have to check it out. Okay, because this may get 2, you may get here 4. Okay, then that is the reason you have to check one more difference. Okay, T4 minus T3. T4 how much? 16. T8, T3 how much? 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. So this is not in AP. This is not in AP because difference is not same. Difference is not same, so this is not in AP. So let us go for question number 3. Okay, D is equal to T2 minus T1. T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay, so I'll take another pen. So what I will do here, T2 how much? Minus 3.2. T1 how much? Minus 1.2. Remember, T2 is minus 3.2. Minus 3.2 I have written. This minus will come here as it is. Okay. Minus 2.1 I have written. See, these two negative sign or positive sign next to each other, it should not come. We have to put the bracket. So what will happen? Minus 3.2 as it is. Minus into minus plus 1.2. Now you have to do subtraction. I'll do it here. Minus 3.2 plus 1.2. How much you will get? After subtraction, 0 minus 2. See here, minus 3.2 plus 1.2. See, bigger number is 3.2. No, that negative sign will come here. So minus 2.0. This is the difference. We have to check one more, okay, to get clarification whether this is in AP or not. So D is equal to, I'll take T4 minus T3. T4 how much? Minus 7.2 minus T3 how much? Minus 5.2. So minus minus is there. Write the bracket. Minus 7.2. Minus into minus, what will happen? It will become plus 5.2. So subtraction you have to do. I'll do it here only. Minus 7.2 plus 5.2 how much? 0 minus 2. Okay. Here minus 2.0, in the sense minus 2 only. So this is different. Difference is minus 2. Here also minus 2. Here this implies this is in AP. Why? Means difference is same. You can check this also. Okay, T2 minus T1. Just I'll do it here. Okay, minus 5. Minus of minus, this one become plus 3.2. Again you will get minus 2 only. Okay, the for rough I have written. You can, if you want, you can do it like this only. How you have to do? D is equal to T3 minus T2. Apply, you will get answer. Same thing. Okay, let us go. We have to write 3 more terms. So 3 more terms you have to write means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, T5. What you have to do? For this number, we have to add the difference. Okay, how much? T4 plus difference. Okay, see, for 4th term, just I have to add the difference. 4th term what? This one, minus 7.2. For the difference how much? 2. Okay, that is minus 2. So 2 signs are there. Put the bracket. Minus 7.2 plus into minus minus 2. How much you are getting? Minus 7.2 minus 2.0. 7, 8, 9. 2 negative sign, in the sense 7.2 negative means, imagine this is a credit. You have credit of 7.2. Again you are taking the credit of 2. So total credit is minus 9.2. So that is minus 9.2. Like this we have to write T6 and T7. Next T6 I have to write. Okay, T6 I have to write. T6 means what? For this 5th term, just I have to add the difference. How much difference? Minus 2 I have to add. How much? Minus 9.2 minus 2. If I add, how much it will become? Minus 9, 10, 11. Okay, minus 11.2. Okay, T7 if I write how much? For this number minus 11.2, I have to add just difference how much? Minus 2.0 again. It will become 231, that is minus 13.2. This is what next three terms I have written. So how to write next three? First we write down all these numbers. Minus 1.2 comma minus 3.2 comma minus 5.2 comma minus 7.2 comma next three numbers. What they are asking, next three more terms. What are those three more terms? 1, 2, 3. Let me write down. Minus 9.2 minus 11.2 minus 13.2. Okay, so I have written like this. So similarly all the problems you have to do. Okay, so one more important concept I have to tell you here. I'll tell you now. I have written here T5 is nothing but fourth term plus difference. T5 is also nothing but a plus 4d. This is also known as a1 plus 4d. Okay, and this is also called as a4 plus d. Remember, for fourth term just you are adding difference. For fourth term you are adding difference. For first term 4 difference you are adding. See here, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. This is term 5. Okay, term 5 is nothing but for fourth term. For fourth term, if difference if you add, you will get this one. Same thing I written. T4 is nothing but A4. Both are same. A plus 4D means if you want to get this number means for this number you want to add difference 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times if you add difference. See, for this number 1, 2, 3, 4 times if you add, you will get directly fifth term. Okay, so this is how we can able to find the next three terms. Okay, for it is very easy. Let us go for question number 5. Okay student, I have to check this is in AP or not. I have to check this is in AP or not. If these are in AP, just we have to write next three terms. Okay, so what we will do, we have to find the difference. Okay, we call it as this one as term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Okay, so how much D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 how much? 3 plus root 2 minus T1 how much? 3. So plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Root 2 is the difference. We'll check one more. Okay, we'll check here only. D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 how much? 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 how much? 3 plus root 2. See students, if you write only minus without bracket, what will happen? This minus will belongs to only this one. It will not belongs to this. So complete term one number, no. So we have to put the bracket. So 3 plus 2 root 2 plus in here plus will be there. Minus into plus minus 3. Minus into plus minus root 2. So what will happen? Plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. In 2 root 2, 1 root 2 gone. In the sense 2 apple minus 1 apple. So totally 1 apple is remaining. 2 apple minus 1 apple. So totally 1 apple is remaining. Consider this is like apple something. Okay. So you will get nothing if you not write 1 also, no problem. So difference you are getting root 2. Here also root 2. In the sense this is in AP. So next to 3 terms I have to write, right? So next 3 terms I have to write. What I will do? For this number just I will add the difference. Okay, T5 is equal to T4 plus D. T4 how much? 3 plus 3 root 2 plus difference how much? Root 2 I have to add. 1 root 2 or root 2, that's all. 3 plus 3 apple plus 1 apple, totally 4 apple. This is T5. Okay, next T6 I will write. T6 is nothing but easily T5 plus D. T5 how much? This one only. 3 plus 4 root 2. For difference how much? Root 2 have to add. 3 plus 4 apple plus 1 apple is 5 apple. This is T6. T7. how much? For this root 2 I have to add, directly I will write 3 plus 4 root 2, 5 root 2, 6 root 2. Okay. Therefore, next three terms are, what are the next three terms? Next three terms are, what are the three terms? 3 plus 4 root 2, comma 3 plus 4 root 2, comma 3 plus 5 root 2, comma 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, this is how we can able to write, okay, whether this is in AP or not. If it is in AP, how to find? Just see the difference. Okay, only one T2 minus T1. If you should not do only for first two terms like that. Okay, you have to check the condition for 2 times or 3 times. Okay, this is one time I checked, second time also you are getting the same thing. Most probably if you check third time also, see T2 minus T1, one time you will check, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, like that if you check, you will get same answer. Okay, then it is in AP. Now I got to know that this is in AP. So next 3 more terms I have to find out. Just for the last number, go on, add the difference, you will get the next 3 numbers. Okay, whether this is in AP or not, we have to check it out. So just see here, D is equal to T2 minus T1. How much? 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 you are getting here. Again, T is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 how much? 9. T2 how much? 3. 9 minus 3 how much? 6. So difference is not same. This is not in AP. Just write down, this is not in AP. So this one, this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So D is equal to T2 minus T1, A square minus A. See here we cannot able to subtract because the degree is vary. A to the power 2, A to the power 1. Like this we cannot able to subtract. We cannot able to subtract. Here you are getting D is equal to this much only. A to the power 2 minus A to the power 1. Let me check another one. D is equal to T3 minus T1. T3 how much? A3. A to the power 3. T1 how much? A to the power 2. So this much only. We cannot able to subtract. This is degree is 3. This degree is 2. We cannot able to subtract. So here this is also not in AP because difference is not same. Let us go for this question. Okay, difference is equal to T2 minus T1, root 6 minus root 3. We cannot able to simplify. If you simplify, you'll get a point wise, okay, and that not exactly. So D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 how much? Root 9 minus root 6. See, root 9 means 3, root 6. Again, definitely these two will not be equal after simplification also. Here the difference is not same, so this is also not in AP. Remaining problems are there. Kindly do it yourself. If you do very well. If you are finding any difficulty, just put it in the comment box so that I'll complete that. In the next video, let us go for next exercise, that is exercise 1.2. Okay, till then be with Mr. Math Academy. Thank you.